Eco and Trekking Club of SNS College of Engineering had organized a trip to Othimalai Hill. We started our journey towards Othimalai with lots of excitements and reached our destination on time. None of us wasted our time lingering around the bottom of the hill, as all of us wanted to feel the fresh air at the top of the hill. Even though it was a tough hike, it was worth it to see the view and feel the atmosphere. Just being at the top with our friends was enough to make all the pressure of life fade away. With one last breath of pure air, everyone started a descent. Once, on reaching the bottom of the hill, the members of Eco and Trekking Club planted few saplings around the hill with enthusiasm and liveliness to save our Mother Nature. Even though it was a tiring climb, all of us enjoyed the experience of trekking with some adventures. We wholeheartedly thank our management and club organizers for providing us such a marvelous opportunity. Thank you.